Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you quickly how to pair a Roku remote with your Roku device. You have two types of remotes, the voice remote, as you can see with the voice button, and the Roku simple remote. The voice remote uses both wireless and infrared. Some Roku voice remotes have a pairing button on the back. If your Roku voice remote has a pairing button on the back, you just hold down that button for 3 to 5 seconds. Your remote should automatically pair with your device. This one does not have the pairing button on the back. To pair this remote, hold down the home button and the back button at the same time until the LED light flashes on your remote. Then let go. Your remote should automatically connect, as you can see on my TV screen. This is concerning the Roku voice remote. If you have a Roku simple remote, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is insert two working batteries on your remote and it should automatically connect. I'm using a Roku Express device on my TV, and as you can see, both these remotes work without any problem. Simple remote, voice remote. Be very careful when you order a new Roku remote because they are not standard. You need to make sure you get the right remote for your device. That's it for today. Please subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.